This is day 4 of the 30-day Aussie English challenge. Today you will listen to the accent and you will copy it for 1 minute, sort of like shadowing. So shadow the accent as best as you can. G'day, how's it going? I was wondering if I could talk to a manager. I'm looking for a job. I'd like to get a job stacking shelves. I'm still learning English, but I'm keen to improve. I'm happy to work different hours and I'm available most days. I'm a hard worker and I like working with others. I can also work independently. I work quickly and I learn fast. I'm not afraid to ask questions. If I'm not sure about something, I'll ask. I'd really like the opportunity to be part of the workforce in Australia. I enjoy working as part of a team. I'm happy to apply online, but I've found the website a bit confusing.